What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put text behind the person in Canva PC. So the first thing that we need to do is to duplicate our photo, like so. Then we want to move it above the initial photo, and now for the duplicate one we want to remove the background with background remover function, like so. Then what we want to do is to add text. I want to make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to write travel, like so. We're gonna make the text white and make it bigger. And what we want to do now is to change the position of our text a little bit backwards, like so. And as you can see now, the text is behind the person. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.